Very good morning, class students. I am Jagdish from Kakatiya High School. Your math teacher. Our running topic is real numbers. So from that, today I am going to explain some properties related to square roots. Root A into root B, we can write root AB. Why? Because the degree of this is 2 and also this one is also 2. So both are equal roots. So we can write root AB. Under root of A by B, we can write root A by root B. Root A plus root B into root A minus root B. This one is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. What is the form of A plus B into A minus B? A square minus B square. So it is root A whole square minus root B whole square. Square root gets cancelled. Square root gets cancelled. So what is the remaining here? A minus B. Root A plus root B whole square in the form of A plus B whole square. A square means root A whole square plus B square means root B whole square plus 2AB means 2 root A into root B. Square root cancel. Here also square and root cancel. So what is the remaining? A plus B plus C. Root A into root B you can write as root AB. So 2 root AB. Here A plus root B into A minus root B. Once again it is in the form of A square minus B square. So what we write here? A square minus root B whole square. Square root to cancel. What is the answer here? A square minus B. Next A plus B 2 root AB under root of we can write as root A plus root B. So these are the some properties on square roots. So 9th class students. So here is the one important question. Find the value of the root 2 up to 3 decimal places. Root 2 is an irrational number. Why? Because it not terminals and also non-recurring. So find the value of root 2 up to 3 decimal places. To find the value of root 2, we have to follow some steps. Step 1. After 2, take decimal point. 2. Take decimal point. After decimal point, take pair of zeros. Here, he asked 3 decimal places. To one decimal place, you may take 1 pair of zeros. To 2 decimal places, take 2 pair of zeros. To 3 decimal places, take 3 pair of zeros. Here, how many I need? I need 3 decimal points. So I am taking 1 pair 0 to 1 decimal. Second pair of zeros to 2 decimal point. Next 3 decimals. Take after that bar over there. Now I am going to use division method to find the square root, to find the value of root 2. Now 1 1 is a 1. 1 plus 1 2. 1 1 is a 1. So 2 minus 1 1. So after that take 2 zeros. Decimal point keep here. Next 100 you have to divide with 2. So take 2 beside and check with numbers. 3 3 is a 9. 3 2 is a 6. Not enough. 2 4 is a 4 4 is a 16. 4 2 is a 8 plus 1 9. So what is the answer? 96. Nearest value to 100. So take 4 here and here and here. Is 28. 96. What is the answer? 0. Next I am taking 400. Next 110. 1 1 and 1 is 282. 281. Next 119. So take another pair of zeros. 2 zeros. Now divide this 11,900 with 282. It means take 282 beside. I am taking 4 there. 4 4 is 16. 4 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 9. 4 8 is 32. 3. 4 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 11. So what is the answer here? 11,296. With 4. 4 and 4. So here, what is the answer? 604. So after the decimal here, 3 numbers came. So square root of root 2 is nothing but 1.414. What is our question? Find the value of root 2 up to 3 decimal places. What is the process? Take decimal point after 2 and take pair of zeros. To 1 decimal point, take 1 pair 0. To 2 decimal point, take 2 pair of zeros. To 3 decimal point, take 3 pair of zeros. After that, follow the division method. So here, what is the answer of root 2? Nearly the value of root 2 is 1.414. So 9th class students, here another question. Find the value of root 5 up to 2 decimal places. What is the procedure? Solution. First, step 1. What is the step 1? Take decimal point after 5. Take decimal point after 5. So here 5 and decimal point. Step 2. After decimal point, take pair of zeros. Here he has 2 decimal places. So I have take 2 pair of zeros. So it is 1 and also second pair. Then after take bar to the zeros. Now 5. For example, 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9, 4 fours are 16. So to find the square root of 5, I have to take square numbers. 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square is equal to 9. Here, what is the nearest number to 5? 4. So here, 2 twos are 4. Next you get 2 here. 2 plus 2 how much? 4. 5 minus 4, 1. So take decimal point here and take 1 pair of zeros. Now 4 I am taking beside. 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8. Check with 3. 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. More than 200. So better to take 2. 2 here and the downside. 2 plus 2, 4 and 44. What is the answer here? 84. 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 8, 1. So take another 2 pair of zeros. What is the remaining here? 1600. Now 44. Take 3 tables. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12 plus 1, 30. So not a nearest number. Try with 4. 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are 16 plus 1, 17. 4 fours are 16. 1676. So more than to 1600. More than to 1600. So better to take 3. So 3 here and 3 downside. 3 plus 3, 6. 4 and 4. What is the answer here? 1329. 1329. Subtract this. You will get 271. So what is this? Here 2 decimal place came over. So nearly square root of 5 is equal to 2.23. So we can find the roots of a number by using division method. What is the process? For example, I need the value of root 7. Take 7 and keep decimal point. So after the decimal point, take pair of zeros. If we ask 4 decimal points, you have to take 8 zeros. Why? Because to 1 decimal point, take 1 pair. 2 decimal points, second pair. If we ask 5 decimal points, take 10 zeros. Subtract 5 root 3 plus 7 root 5 from 3 root 5 minus 7 root 3. What is the question here? Subtract 5 root 3 plus 7 root 5 from 3 root 5 minus 7 root 3. Solution. I want to subtract 5 root 3 plus 7 root 5 minus 5 root 3 plus 7 root 5 from 3 root 5 minus 7 root 3. 3 root 5 minus 7 root 3 plus into minus 5 root 3 plus into minus 7 root 5. Now take like terms for one side. Here 3 root 5 and 7 root 5 both are like terms. 3 root 5 minus 7 root 5. Similarly, minus 7 root 3 and minus 5 root 3. 3 root 5 minus 7 root 3 we can write minus 4 root 5. Here both are minus. So what is the answer here? Minus 12 root 3. So from this what I am taking here? 4 I am taking common. So what is the remaining? Root 5 plus 3 root 3. So the answer of given question is minus 4 of root 5 plus 3 root 3. Next. Simplify the following. Simplify the following. First question, 3 root 3 bracket 2 plus root 2. Now we have to find the product of 3 plus root 3 and 2 plus root 3. See here, the product of a plus b into c plus d. Here, first what we can write here? A into c plus d plus b into c plus d. So by using that, what we can write here? 3 bracket 2 plus root 3 plus root 3 bracket 2 plus root 3. 3 2s are 6 plus 3 into root 3, 3 root 3. But don't write 3 3s are 9. Don't write under root of 9. Why? Because a into root a is nothing but a root a, but not under root of a square plus 2 into root 3, 2 root 3 plus root 3 into root 3 we can write root 3 whole square. So remaining 6 plus 3 root 3 plus 2 root 3, 5 root 3 plus square root cancel 3. Six plus 3, 9. So what is the answer here? 9 plus 5 root 3. Answer of given question is 9 plus 5 root 3. Next, simplify root 5 minus root 2 into root 5 plus root 2. Recently, we discussed about properties of square roots. So by using that, what we can write? Root a minus root b into root a plus root b is equal to a minus b. So the answer of this one is 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 is the answer. 9th class students, here is one of the important topic from real numbers, rationalizing factor. So what is the rationalizing factor here? If the product of two irrational numbers. Here one of the important topic, rationalizing factor. If the product of two irrational numbers is a rational. If the product of two irrational numbers is a rational, then the two numbers, then they are said to be rationalizing factors each other. You may take, for example, here I am taking two irrational numbers, 5 root 3 and 7 root 3. Now I am going to multiply the two numbers, 7 root 3 into 5 root 3 is equal. 7 5 is 35. Root 3 into root 3 whole square is equal to 35 into 3. It is 105. See here, 7 root 3 is an irrational number. Similarly, 5 root 3 is an irrational number. Both are irrational numbers. But the product of the two numbers is rational number. Here, what I did? I took two irrational numbers. What are the 7 root 3 is 1 and 5 root 3 is another one. But multiply of the two numbers. What is the answer here? 105. 105 is a rational number. If the product of two irrational numbers is a rational number, then they are said to be rationalizing factor of each other. It means rationalizing factor of 7 root 3 is 5 root 3, or rationalizing factor of 5 root 3 is 7 root 3. So 9th class students, here is the homework. Simplify the following. root 3 plus root 2 into root 2 plus root 3. Root 5 minus root 2 into root 5 plus root 2. 3 root 3 plus root 2 into root 7. Find the value of root 7 up to 2 decimal places.